Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about antihistaminic agent. The point to be covered in this topic it include introduction, histamine, H1 antagonist and H2 antagonist. So what is a histamine? Histamine it is a 2-imidazole 4-ill ethylamine. It is found in all organ and tissue of the human body and biosynthesized from basic amino acid histidine by decarboxylation process. It is stored in the secretory granule of mast cell having pH 5.5 as a positive charge and ionically complex with negatively charged acidic group on other secretory granules which constitute heparin. It releases in body usually in response to tissue injury, inflammation, allergic or hypersensitivity reaction. This is a structure for histamine. The numbering should be from this nitrogen, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 4-ethyl amine, 2-imidazole 4-ethyl amine. So, biosynthesis of histamine. It is biosynthesized from basic amino acid, that is histidine, by removal of carbon dioxide, that is decarboxylation process. So, the final product we get it is a histamine in presence of the enzyme histidine decarboxylase. So, histamine receptor. There are four type of histamine receptor. So, we will see their location and function. H1 receptor. It located at smooth muscle and CNS tissue. Function vasodilation, motion sickness and bronchoconstriction. Then H2 receptor. It located at parietal cell. Function, it regulate gastric acid secretion. Receptor type 3, that is H3. Location, brain. Function, it reduce the neurotransmitter release acetylcholine and norepinephrine. Receptor type 4, that is H4. Location, it found in thymus, small intestine, spleen and bone marrow. Function, the unknown physiological role. This is the chart which show the four receptor, that is H1, H2, H3 and H4. H1 and H2 have low affinity receptor, whereas H3 and H4 are high affinity receptor. H1 is responsible for allergic inflammation, whereas H2 is responsible for gastric acid secretion. H3 is responsible for neurotransmission and last one, that is H4, it is responsible for immunomodulation. Then physiological action of histamine. It involves in inflammatory action, allergic reaction, action on cardiovascular system, itching or pain sensation, headache, peptic ulceration and asthmatic condition. Mechanism of action for antihistamine. They block the binding of histamine to its receptor, reducing histamine receptor activity on nerves, vascular smooth muscle, endothelium and mast cell. Classification of histamine. Usually there are two class, that is first generation drug and second generation drug. First generation is divided into number of class, that is first one ethanol amine, then ethylene diamine, alkyl amine, phenothiazine, piperazine and other. The example of second generation drug is lortidine. So, we will see the SAR for antihistaminic drug. This is a general structure for antihistaminic agent. So, aromatic, it is a aryl, it may be phenyl, substituted phenyl or heteroarylic group. This aryl, it may be phenyl, substituted phenyl or heteroaryl group. Whereas aryl, this aromatic ring should be aryl or aryl methyl group. X, it is a connecting atom of carbon, oxygen or nitrogen. Then carbon-carbon linkage is usually carbon-ethyl linkage. Then nitrogen should be terminal amine and tertiary in nature. So, aryl groups. Two aromatic rings, it contains two aromatic ring. One is aryl or heteroaryl and second is aryl allyl or aryl function or an equivalent embedded in a polycyclic rings. Halogen at para position increase the activity. Two aromatic ring must connected to central carbon, nitrogen or carbon oxygen. Two aryl link may be linked. For effectiveness, one or more moiety should be pyridyl, while second substituted on nitrogen atom should be benzyl group or substituted. Nature of X. Simple carbon chain or saturated carbon oxygen moiety which serve as a spacer group for required pharmacophore. Alkyl chain, that is this carbon-carbon chain. It is a spacer between X and terminal nitrogen atom. Branching or extension decrease the activity. Homologation develop neuroleptic and tricyclic antidepressant from antihistamine. Carbon atom attached to nitrogen atom branch not affected the activity. Then terminal nitrogen atom. For maximum activity, it should be tertiary amine. Terminal nitrogen atom may be part of heterocyclic ring and retain the high antihistaminic activity. Clinical uses: treatment of allergic rhinitis, angioedema, anaphylactic reaction, antiemetic, antitussive, antihistaminic activity, and analgesic reaction. So first example, it is a diphenyl hydramine hydrochloride. It is a inverse agonist at H1 receptor. Act as a anti-muscarinic and intracellular sodium channel blocker. By reversing effect of histamine on the capillary, it can reduce the intensity of allergic symptoms. Uses: antihistaminic, antitussive, antiemetic and sedative. This is a structure for diphenyl hydramine. Then triprodylidine. It blocks the action of endogenous histamine, which subsequently leads to temporary relief of negative symptoms brought on by histamine. Uses: act as a antihistaminic drug. Then promethazine hydrochloride. It is a competitive inhibitor of histamine H1 receptor present on GI tract, uterus, large blood vessel and bronchial muscle. Uses: allergic rhinitis, then allergic conjunctivitis. The next type is H2 receptor antihistamine. H2 blocker are a group of medicine that reduce the amount of acid produced by the cell in the lining of stomach. They are also called histamine H2 receptor antagonist, but are commonly called H2 blocker. Example: cimetidine, famotidine, nizatidine, and ranitidine. SAR of H2 receptor antagonist. It contains 5-member ring which is having nitrogen group plus 2 double bond at 1 2 and carbon C plus carbon 4. In the H2 receptor, imidazole structure believed to be important for receptor action. This imidazole structure, 5-member structure, is essential for the activity. The imidazole structure exists in two forms. That is, the position of this double bond will be changed. These two forms of this structure exist. SAR of H2 antagonist. First point, the imidazole ring is not required for competitive antagonism at the H2 receptor. Other heterocyclic rings can be used like furon and thiazole. Separation between the nitrogen atom and heterocyclic ring by 4 carbon atoms gives optimum activity. The terminal nitrogen atom should be polar and non-basic for maximal 4 antagonistic activity, while groups that are positively charged at a physiological pH have agonistic activity. Antagonistic activity is inversely proportional to hydrophilicity of the nitrogen atom. But the hydrophilic nitrogen group in ranitidine is an exception. Example is cimetidine. Mechanism of action: it is a competitive inhibitor of histamine H2 receptor and parietal cell and block the histamine effect. Result in reduced gastric acid secretion and volume reduction plus acidity. Uses: use in gastric and peptic ulcer and duodenal ulcer. Next example, ranitidine. It is also competitive inhibitor of histamine H2 receptor and parietal cell and block the histamine effect. Result in reduced gastric acid secretion and volume reduction and acidity. Uses: decreases both basal and stimulated hydrochloric acid produced by food, histamine, gastrin, acetylcholine. It reduces the pepsin activity. Then amino alkyl ether analog. The example are dimenhydrinate and doxylamine succinate. Diphenyl diphenylpyramine hydrochloride. Then clemastine fumarate. Then bucyclazine hydrochloride. Cyclic basic analog, and it contains chlorocycloazine and meclaazine hydrochloride. Monoamino alkyl propyl analog. Example is chlorpheniramine hydrochloride. Then tripropylidine hydrochloride and pheniramine hydrochloride. Tricyclic ring and phenothiazine derivative. Example, it is a trimepraazine tartarate, azatidine, cyprohepatadine hydrochloride, estimazole, piperazine derivative, levocetirizine and cetirizine, pyridine and piperidine derivative. Example are loratadine and chromoline sodium. This is the question which are asked in examination usually, that is draw the structure and give nomenclature of any two propyl amine antihistamine, SAR of H2 antagonist, SAR of H1 antagonist with example, biosynthesis of histamine and types of histamine receptor. Thank you.